for? Why an arrest warrant against our prime minister, the only person in the Middle East that's really leading to fight? That's what you're doing? I can't believe it.
The International Criminal Court, that is the ICC, has issued arrest warrants for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, charging them with war crimes and crimes against humanity in relation to the ongoing conflicts in Gaza and Lebanon. The warrants announced are based on allegations of actions committed during the Israeli military operations against Hamas in Gaza and Hezbollah in Lebanon, spanning from the 8th of October 2023 to 20th of May 2024. The ICC stated that the charges against Netanyahu and Gallant stem from their roles in directing or overseeing military operations that have resulted in civilian casualties and other breaches of international law. The court specifically cited acts of violence against civilians and violations of laws of war in the context of the prolonged conflict with Hamas in Gaza and the hostilities with Hezbollah in southern Lebanon. In addition to the Israeli leaders, the ICC has also charged Hamas's military chief, Mohammed Deif, as a war criminal. The court has called for his arrest after his involvement in the planning and executing attacks against civilians, further escalating the toll of the Israel-Hamas conflict. The ICC's ruling underscores the growing international scrutiny over the conduct of both Israel and Hamas in the ongoing hostilities. The court emphasized that the warrants were issued based on evidence that both Netanyahu and Gallant, along with Deif, were involved in actions that led to the widespread destruction, loss of life, and other violations of international law. A statement issued by the ICC's chamber noted, and I quote, "The chamber issued warrants of arrest for two individuals, Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu and Mr. Yoav Gallant, for crimes against humanity and war crimes committed from at least 8th of October 2023 until at least 20th of May 2024, which is the day of prosecution filed the applications for warrants of arrest. The arrest warrants mark a significant moment in the legal efforts to hold individuals accountable for war crimes during ongoing conflicts, particularly as the international community grapples with the humanitarian consequences of the Israeli-Hamas and Israeli-Hezbollah wars. Both Israel and Hamas have faced increasing pressure over their actions, with global calls for accountability growing louder as the violence continues. The warrants also serve to underscore the ICC's commitment to prosecuting crimes of this nature, regardless of political or military power.